Hello everyone, Tara Fernandez here with Bargain Bows, and in this video we are going to show you our beautiful Organza 4-inch bows. Our Organza 4-inch bows are available on our website bargainbows.com. They do come in 30 different colors. These are some of my favorite. I think you could wear these very casually, or since they have a little bit of this sheer ribbon, you can really wear it with a dress or have it dress up an outfit even. Very pretty. Again, they're available in 30 different colors. And they are 4 inches, and they come with our 2-inch alligator clip on the back. If you do have any questions about our 4-inch Organza bows, always feel free to email us at support@bargainbows.com. You can also shop now on our website, www.bargainbows.com. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and thank you again for watching. Thanks. Bye-bye.